Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Dant, Service Channel Marketing Manager here at Eaton, and I'm here to discuss 3 important benefits of Eaton services. Specifically, I'll be talking about our extended services on your UPS equipment and why you should consider them. When you take advantage of Eaton's extended UPS services, you'll be accomplishing 3 things. 1, you'll enhance your return on investment. 2, you'll maximize the performance of your UPS. And 3, you'll minimize interruptions to your business. Let's start off with enhancing your return on investment. When measuring ROI, the challenge is to maximize protection while minimizing costs. An effective preventative service plan will help you on both fronts, because routine maintenance reduces the likelihood that a UPS will succumb to downtime and will quickly pay for itself. In this case, your ROI also includes peace of mind. Speaking of routine maintenance, Eaton's extended services can also maximize the performance of your UPS. Since UPSs are complex and supply backup functions to critical IT equipment, they are subject to failure. By putting a comprehensive preventative service plan in place, implemented by trained, certified technicians, you can significantly reduce your vulnerability to a load loss and extend the lifespan of your UPS and its batteries. Finally, Eaton offers its extended UPS services to ensure minimal interruption to your business. Lost files, hardware malfunctions, inability to access critical systems, and any other unpleasant consequences are just a few possible outcomes that could cause unexpected downtime, which can significantly impact your ability to conduct business. When your business is disrupted, that can lead to significant lost revenue. However, with an effective preventative service plan, your business will be operating more reliable, higher quality, and more cost-effective power equipment, all of which minimize the risks of downtime and lost revenue. Studies have shown that the cost of network downtime can be crippling to a corporation. Estimates range anywhere from $10,000 per hour for smaller companies and $1 million per hour and upward for large data centers or companies who are heavily reliant on e-commerce. With our services, you can increase your ROI, ensure business performance, and minimize interruptions. All great reasons to call your Eaton representative now to get more information.